Do you suffer from sticky bottom? We do. If you're in the South, most likely you have that happen to you. In our case, it pertains to the vinyl cushions that we have on the HideAway. We live in an area where it's hard to tell whether it's raining or just humid. And when you're in a place like that, you'll find that vinyl and paint like each other a whole lot. And the vinyl cushions will stick to this paint and not want to let go. It was completely by accident, but a few months ago we discovered this product. This is actually called a weed. This is actually called a weed barrier. You can get it at any one of your local home centers. The brand really doesn't matter, but it's a rather thin cloth-like material that doesn't take up any space, of course, and you lay it flat. I've just got it held down here now with painter's tape. It really doesn't take much else, and we'll lay the cushion on there, and in the hot baking sun of Florida, you will find that the cushion will not stick to the paint. I know that's a small deal, but it really isn't. So you might want to try this. This particular one was called Stay Green, and it's just a 3 by 50 foot piece of it, and it's easy to cut with scissors, of course. And it doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it doesn't even have to cover the entire area. It just needs to give a break between that paint. And it's dry. I mean, it's a good dry paint, but it does get sticky in here. It's kind of akin to jumping in a car with vinyl seats on a hot summer day. That's kind of what happens here, only fortunately it's just the cushion and not your tush. So, try it. We found it to be very helpful and much less frustrating.